Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 16 of being productive in coding. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. And today I'm gonna solve matrix problem. Matrix is nothing but 2D array problem. It's so interesting. You can see this one. The problem is snake in matrix. It's really very interesting problem. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, I will also provide the link of this problem in the description box. Please check it out. You can see. So basically the problem statement is they will give the commands right, down, up, left. These are the four commands. They will give four commands in the form of list array list, and we need to follow those commands, and we need to return the last number that we have been there. See, so n, basically n is 2 by 2 matrix. First command is right. So first it is in 0. Now right, it will go to 1. Now down, it will follow the down command. Now it will go to down. So this is the last command, right? So we need to return the last command number. So output is 3. In the same way, example 2, first string is down, so it will go to down 3, right 4, and up 1. Now so the output is 1. We need to return 1. The constraints are very small and it's so interesting problem. Let's start our coding. We can start with the while loop itself, and also we need to initialize two variables, I equal to 0 and int j equal to 0, because we need rows and calls, right? So let's assume that I is assigned to rows and j is assigned to columns. Okay, now commands dot size is greater than 0. Our list should be always greater than 0. If commands dot size, if it is less than 0, means just stop the execution of while loop. Like that we need to do. And here we need to do like here. So these are string, right? String data types. The commands are in the format of string. We need to do, we need to keep the data type as a string. S is equal to commands dot remove the first index of the array list. See here, commands dot remove, remove in the sense we are clearing the list while we are doing the while loop. For that's why our array list size will be reduced to 0. When it reaches to 0, then the while loop will stop executing. Okay, now in the string s, commands dot remove zeroth index, 0th index is right command. So here in s it will store right command. Now we need to give conditions to this. If s is equal to right, if it is right means how we can increase the values here. See, right means we need to go in this direction. That means column has to increase, but row remains same. Column, we assumed that j as column, right? J should increase and I should remain the same. And we need to and let's assume another number as k. We need to return the number, right? For that's why I initialized the number as k. Okay, now here we need to mention k value. Here they have given the k value. We need to write this k value itself. K equal to I star n plus j. This is the value. We incremented the j, and we return we are setting the value of that matrix in the k. I hope you are getting. So basically k holds the element that is present in the matrix. Okay, in that cell itself. I hope you are getting. This is for right. And next one, if s is equal to left, we need to handle all the four commands. If s is equal to left, if the command dot remove if the command is left means it will go to left direction. If if the cell is here, we need to go to left direction. Left direction means we have to decrement the column value. This is 0 1 2, right? We need to decrement the column value. 1 minus 1 0. So we need to decrement column, so j equal to j minus 1. I hope you are all getting. Now we need to get the value there. I star n plus j. Now, if we need to handle calls, rows now. If s is equal to up, if it is up command means we need to increment the value. See, not increment. We need to decrement the rows. See, this is up command. From 4 to it went to 1. This is 0 1 2, right? 4 0 1 2. We have to decrement 1 minus 1. It will go to this zeroth row. So we need to decrement the row I minus 1. So k equal to I star n plus j. Next, if the command is down, we need to increment the row I plus 1, k equal to I star n plus j. And at last we need to return the k value. Let's execute the code. It failed. What might be the reason? Did we do any mistake here? I have updated the k value, right? Then why it's not going? Let's check whether while loop itself is working or not. For checking purpose, I am giving some condition, not condition, just printing statement. Yes, while loop is executing, then why it's not taking k value? We are updating the elements. No, left, up, down. Let's ask Leet. Okay, I'm so sorry. See, I got it. Just now I saw the these commands are in the form of string. We should not use assignment. We have to use s dot equals. S dot equals. If it is right, where is this Leet? Mm. Yes, we need to use s dot equals for the string. Okay, let's do this. S dot equals here also. S dot equals. I guess we need to keep double quotes. Let's see. Let's execute. This series is not at all knowledge sharing purpose. I am learning myself. Yes, we need to keep double quotes. Now it's okay. Let's execute. It passed. See, major blunder what I have done means, for string, in order to compare, we have to use dot equals method, not is equal to assignment operator. Please remember this. Okay, I'm submitting the code now. It passed. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. And this series is not at all knowledge sharing series. I just want to be consistent in coding and I want to learn something in coding. So please don't judge me. Thank you for watching.